The fascinating world of turtles. Turtles, a diverse group of reptiles, have captivated human interest for centuries due to their unique features and remarkable adaptations. This report explores the intriguing world of turtles, shedding light on their characteristics, habitats, and conservation status. Turtles exhibit a wide range of sizes, colors, and shapes, adapting to various environments. Their distinct bony or cartilaginous shell serves as protection against predators and harsh conditions. Turtles are found in oceans, rivers, lakes, and even on land. Sea turtles like the green loggerhead and leatherback species traverse vast distances across oceans to nest on specific beaches. The threat of habitat loss, pollution, and climate change looms large for turtles. The destruction of nesting sites, entanglement in fishing gear, and ingestion of plastic waste have all contributed to declining populations. Conservation efforts such as protected nesting areas and reduced plastic usage are crucial for their survival. Turtles are not only captivating creatures, but also indicators of ecosystem health. Their presence or absence can reflect the condition of their habitats. By raising awareness about these remarkable reptiles and advocating for their protection, we can contribute to the preservation of our oceans and the diverse ecosystems they inhabit. Join the movement to safeguard these ancient mariners for future generations to admire and learn from.